Yeah. You don't have a license. I don't know if him as no driver. In a night would be a drunken people I drive on the road. If you go get yourself hurt for your mama come kill me. The room was cool. This hairstyle. Up them love. It's too hot. See, I have ear down in your face right now. So one get ready and the bed full of clothes. Just one get ready. Hey cuties, hey newbies, welcome and welcome back to the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Can2Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video, a vlog, or whatever. Anyway, guys, it's Sunday. It is Sunday and it's 98 degrees and it's going up. The house is tormented and hot, as you can see. I never spread my bed, but I just jump out of the shower and I come out of the house because why? It's too hot. It's so hot. So them say football at Granby Street. They say if I go there and it's hot, may I leave. May I leave and find something indoor, maybe the mall or something. Too hot, my love. I can't work with the heat. No, I already know. Me and the heat are not friend. But this is the look. Let me use the next mirror. This is probably a little bit brighter. This is the look for today. It's a two-piece from Shein. This is supposed to be in my last vlog. Yeah, it should be in the last vlog. Yeah, real cute, real sexy, real simple. The slippers is also from Shein. It don't look good in your hand, but on your foot, it is so cute. So simple, so cute. Yeah, and that is it. Regular schmegular jewelry every day. Michael Kors bag. And that's it. I put them glasses here and but me wait till I'm going to the car. Yeah, me wait till I'm going to the car and the AC blast on me. I think I'm gonna have to go to the drive-thru as well because the car is dirty. Me not show up nowhere like that. I'm gonna lock up. Do I need anything? I have my cologne. I have my lip gloss. I think I'm good. I got money. I don't have any money. I got a card. Oh no, I got money in the car. Okay, alright. Alright, I think we're good to go. Oh yeah, we're good to go. Alright. Jesus. Check out the sweat. I run down. Crazy. No, my love. They have some type of day party today. I didn't even know about it. I'm gonna never do such type about it. But you know what I should have do? I should have filled my cup of ice. I full my Stanley ice because I can't go nowhere like this. Oh. Crazy. Let me walk with you. By the time I don't put ice in this, the straw can't hold that half. Oh, have nothing. I don't have one towel. Hold on. I said I have at least 4 fans. And now I'm ready for one. Everything. Alright, I don't think this will work. That not work today. Wait. Something in my hand. Why is something in my hand? Alright guys, hold on. Let me reach outside my column. I'm calling back. I say, my name Mickey? Oh. What's going on? Why am I keying it up on my land there? My car keying it up on my key. So you tell me that somebody leave with my car? This is crazy. I don't know what's going on right now. Yep, somebody drove my car. Somebody definitely drive my car because my gas gone way down. Well, not too way down. I know I left it. Can't bother. Don't. I say, I make for take out this area last night, you know. See there? I start pull it out and this one alone take me forever for pull out. So I have to end up pause it because I'm like, why? Why? One ear I say me I'll call her and ask her to pull it out for me. Yeah, I say me I'll call her today. Ask her please if she can pull it out for me because this year and the summer is not it. Why? When since lashes better than glasses here? One thing about the glasses here, you can't wear it with any lash. I don't know what I'm going today. I think I should take off all this shit. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Cuties, I have no idea what's happening. But I can't let that stress me out today. I feel like I need to take off the lash here. It's bugging me. It's annoying me. I can't bother today. It's too hot. But I can't find my car key nowhere. The spare key I have to go for. I'm sure I got my bed last night with my key. I come home yesterday. I don't leave the house back from I come home. I go to my bed. I edit, upload, make thumbnail, make everything, title, everything. And then I go sleep. I watch movie till I go sleep. I wake up this morning. I go up on the road. I literally just get up and grab me my key and my stuff them and go because I don't expect my key enough for on the little thing. On this, I don't expect it enough for on this because the last time I checked I left it. But it's not there. I search my bag, I search the whole bed, I search everywhere. Cannot be found. Can't be found. And the spare key I have to draw for. Because the owner gone with it. So, I look on the camera, I see no scratch, no nothing. And as far as me can see the two people who live in my house, them safe and sound. I don't see nothing to them. So, I don't know. I'm confused as shit. I'm confused. I'll call my daughter, ask her if she drive my car, which I doubt it, she have her own vehicle. Why would she? She don't have no reason for drive. She not do that. Not even when she have, when she not in the car, she not touch my things. Calm down, Karen. I drive. I drive, relax. Anyway, cuties, I'm gonna set up. Clot. Yo, that was so. Me say me the man stop. The man I come in, which for me I come out. So the man stop, so that me can come out, and the man overtake him and just a blaze a come non-stop. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Whew. Anyway, I'm gonna wash the car, get some gas, and then drive around at the football field and see where I'm going for that. Okay? But I live in the car too, in a cool. You know, me not vacuum. No, sir. Can't do that. Not today at all. My phone there. Oh.
Heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Oh, I think the Sunday done. Jesus. Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
I see you looking around you, so why you come join us?
What? I wanna sit. This place is too hot.
Possible? Why? Married?
Very much. Very much. Why not? Why? Why not?
See, I don't know walk and
Why not?
Very much not.
Why not?
Eh?
Why not?
you could have put it on our wife.
Exactly.
When I say she can't be a wife, or she couldn't be a wife,
So what you say?
but she's just not a wife as yet.
Why not?
My husband, you don't come out of them out there.
She said, here she
Sunday.
said,
I'm mad people.
here she answer.
Big
very,
Sunday.
very
What
much.
is next year?
They're supposed to have to babysit.
So much criminal.
Maybe have to babysit.
After I drink Guinness, we have Guinness here.
Sure. Thank you. Then I get these not gonna make my roast hot.
Oh, yeah, that's the area.
Just don't know, I don't know nothing about football, I just carry on. Out here the fuller earlier?
No,
If people don't take the sun,
Right.
the money, try and get it cooler.
But match play earlier though, right?
No, I think them say first match possible.
Because it's too hot.
No, I think I don't know what happened. Those guys say he never played.
Match number 9, Bomba Wall, yeah, good. Ball, Majana, ball out. So we play a ball. 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 Yes, my ball, I run it. Ball, yeah, no ball. Ball, now go out, good. Yes. Ball, you know. Now boy, my dog. Ball. Yes. Yeah, man, for real, you know. Lovely. Eat that dog. If you learn to participate, bro, you know the party, this day you have to do virgin. You get me?
Be a cheerleader. Why not? Yo. You have to have an hype man.
Learn to be a
No, man.
virgin.
Yeah, like I need a thing here, yeah, real.
No, man.
You never feel the game like a while.
No.
You never feel it. You never feel the game when you attack like a while.
Feel the game, I feel the game, I can't feel
What
the game.
from yourself?
I don't want any. I'm good.
Loves fans there. Make sure don't get friends outside. Yeah, man. You can get this. If you make it don't pass out,
Good pass.
Score again? I got that one.
I'll stick it for you. I'll stick it for you.
Yo! I swear to God, I caught that one.
Yo, if I never catch a one, I'm going to take it for you. I'll stick it down.
We catch her one day, man. We catch her one day. We catch her one day.
Make sure you catch a one.
All if the real goal in there, that's that goal like a one. Yo, a 2-0 Dawkers. 2-0 man in my work. Me I tell you say red I'll give them back one, you know, but me I tell you say I'll yellow me I move it. From earlier, them a play a steady ball game. Them not rush it.
Yeah, put in.
Listen, man. How well do you the man start with that? You know, I bet give him
So give me the money, me I go feed.
How would that? You know how would that?
No! Ball! Boom!
Bombos! Yo!
Ball dead.
The man that
The red team scored 3.
So the red team, the 3.
Yeah, and the other team, the 8.
The yellow team, the 8. But a one man alone scored 6 goals.
Yeah, number 51, the other team scored 6.
That's crazy. Cuties, me give up in on the stop video. This I gave you a long time. I'm bored. I'm gonna get out of here. Get myself ready. Go jam rock tomorrow. Go listen to some. Y'all already know the vibes. So what you add? I'm gonna tell them that the Guinness they're not make it no better. But it's not bad. Coming out sweat like hella crazy sweat like what I did earlier. It's way better now. Yeah. But anyway, I soon will come on. Alright, because I'm out. Lost the ones in the year to school. So cuties, I'm gonna have Dora to the camera did. I'm gonna remember the Red Rock. I'm gonna get something to eat at the bar with me and my cousin did the other day. The salad was really good. So I'm just gonna get one of that. Oh, it's so dark in here. Hey guys, it's bedtime. I end up leave the restaurant with me today and go a Jamrock. Jamrock hot like hell. Hell itself. We all know Courtney not turn on the AC. We all know that. But I think tonight he didn't like make an exception, but he did not. And on top of it, he closed the door. And I have 2 big fan in that spin when I tell her say. The minute I walk in, I feel like what did I do to deserve this hell treatment tonight? I'm buy one floss of Courvoisier and say me a hold it out liquor for safety to go. When I say sweat and run down my face, I say you're crazy. No, my love, you're crazy, crazy, crazy. Make me hard. I just left that and come in and make her come sit down a little bit. It's too hot. Too hot. And then my daughter called me, pull up in the house. So, get off. Get off. Stubborn. My daughter called me, I'm going to the house a while ago. I'm come back out for because when I put in the car. Oh God. What a nice thing, man. Why you still up on this? But I'm going to the house so look at my daughter look for her Timberland, she can't find it. No, in the house, the Timberland disappear. She probably left it all Miami, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to my room. And as I walk in my room, I look on the bed, I'm keyed upon it. And my car keyed upon the bed. I said to Shay, they have my car. She's like, "Ma, why would I need, why I need your car key for what?" So, the car looked like it drove itself last night. The car drove itself last night, okay? Alright. I'm just glad that nothing is wrong with my car. And nothing is wrong with anyone. That's all I'm happy for, because it could have been bad. So now me know from now on. It's like me I learn as I go along. As I go along, me I learn. Why me I put on seat belt when I come to the car? What can I sign this? Oh no, me I park my car at the back. As I go along, me I learn what me need to do for have a peace of mind. Yeah man, I pack up all of my sneakers. I pack up all of my sneakers them today. Every sneakers when I know look unisex, and put them in my room, because ain't no way me and you are wear the sneakers them out here, nigga. No. That not work. That will never work. And nobody now wear the same shoes. Crazy. And your foot stink, you mad? Hey. You must be mad to rotted. So them they take up. But I'm hoping. Let me shut up. Let me shut up. Let me shut up. Let me shut up and go in bed. Yeah. Look up and see when I drink. We'll go in. It's very early, by the way. It's 10:30 something now. Yeah. So I'm going in. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. This take a good look at my face. Do y'all see the sweat? Oh my God. My car is officially my best friend, because in the house. Oh, nothing not going for them fan inside. I have to go get the AC. And I forget my data. My data AC. Jesus. So I couldn't even lotion my skin this morning. Whoa, the heat is on now. Yes, Lord. Ooh, I got my bag today. So minimal stuff inside of it. Exactly what we need. We can't carry nothing more. It can't hold nothing. It literally can't hold a damn thing. But that's good. We won't pack it up and fill it and things like the next one. Ooh. So hot, my head has scratched me. Alright, so I'm telling you some but find me car thing my car key. Yes, find the car key just plop on my bed. Nobody never drive the car. So the car drive itself. The car take itself, stop and shop. I think it's stop and shop I'm going. Let me go get what I get for my client. Oh Lord Jesus, I want to take this here out. It itches so bad. Wow. No man. That's the only thing I don't like about this. The only thing I don't like about this at all. Can't go do it. Alright, cuties, let's go. Come on, love. This is crazy. The heat you can't work. I'm going to my client car a while ago for park her car properly. I say, I guaranteed I saw ill feel. I saw ill feel that I carried it. Oh my God. Whew. I need to go get an AC. I think I need to go get that done today because it's going to be like 100 degrees for the rest of the week. 100, 101 up for the rest of the week. So, I need an AC. I don't have one. My daughter already have one. It probably just won't clean. So, that's 2 things we need for do today. Grab the AC and I don't know. You see me, I know these things. I need a man to go with me go deal with AC shit, man. I'ma just Google that bitch. Oh, and more and go to the supermarket. Go to the supermarket and grab some breakfast stuff for my nephew. Well, like foreign food, cause him love that shit. Jesus Christ. I always wish my daughter would have eat them something then. I always wish she would have, like the burger them and like sachets and just the frozen food them in the box, even though them not good. But I always wish she'd love that stuff, but she don't. She ain't eating that. She not. But him seems to like it, so I will grab some for him. And some egg and some stuff where he can cook because this heat, nobody, not even you guys can get me go on the stove. Not happening. Alright, let's do that. I think the AC first. Or oh Lord, one day my mother won't come with me. Jesus, I'm gonna call her. I need somebody here. I'm gonna call mommy. Jesus. Whew. This sun is crazy. Oh my God, my head hurts. My AC can't hold in this. I don't even see one person to help. Hey, you can't tell me which part of the AC them there?
So before you reach the sign, look if you look and see Pro Service. Before you reach the sign on the right hand side.
They're on this side.
So yes, it's a Pro Service.
Right.
On that side.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Ooh, sorry. I'm going to call my mother this one now. She's saying one. Hello? Oh, Pro Service is on there. This looks like AC, isn't it? This AC? I think this is AC. Window air conditioner, yeah. This is $159. This is why we need somebody, because all these words and numbers, I don't get it. What the heck is that? What that's supposed to mean? I don't know. So this is the same 5,000. 5,000. I guess all them over here are 5,000 BT. BTU, what the heck is that? I don't know. Over here we got still 5,000. But why Okay, so this one is 6,000 and it's 219. Maybe this one is better. Maybe. I think I'm gonna grab this because it's cheap. I didn't know AC was this cheap right now. Hi. These are. Where are the? Oh damn. This 8,000. What the heck is a medium? Like a living room? The number on it, I don't know what number it's supposed to be, but I'm guessing if the number is bigger, then it's better. I'm gonna just chunk it up to that. So I think I'm gonna get this one for $3. Don't stress me out. This mine? You got that here?
Yeah.
That's mine.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna get this. I think I'm just, I don't know. My room is pretty small. What am I gonna waste $50 more? 6, 7, 8. I think I could just get this one, right? Right, Cuties? I think I'd be okay with the 6,000. Let me call somebody. Jesus, I don't know. These people in here is no help. Alright, so I'm gonna get the 6,000. Alright. So I guess to the size of my room, the 6,000 is good. Yeah, that's it. I'm out of here. Ooh. Oh. I think I need to take a picture of this receipt because me not have no luck. So that was not bad, Cuties. It was not bad. It came up to $232 and it got 2-year warranty. So we're set for 2 years. Until after 2 years it just get knocked. That's what usually happens. You gonna put it in there, so I'm gonna dash it to eventually. So let's not do that. I think my best bet is to take a picture of it. Or put it in this. Put it in another first aid kit. I will not remember it. But you guys will be here to remind me. If anything wrong with AC, remember, so I'm gonna put the receipt in the first aid kit. Okay? Remind me. Alright. I think it's time for the supermarket. Yeah, let's just go grab a few stuff and get this day over with. Let's go. The ladies, everybody go sort them out. Alright. But now stay in here so long. So I just get a call. Wanna know if I wanna go to the river. And it sounds like fun, but it's too late enough for river. Plus tomorrow is gonna be like 100 odd degrees, so if we go river, it's best to go tomorrow, right? Better we'll go tomorrow, why not? Let's say I'm trying to avoid wearing tights. But cuties, if me ever try that, the whole of my crutches are out. Ladies, you don't have any idea what else we can wear under my uniform to prevent chub rub instead of tights? Because I tell them the tights not a heat with the uniform, it have my body under fire. So if you don't have any idea, can give me, please let me know. Let me know what's an option, you know, for wear underneath your clothes. Except for like slip, because slip definitely I gotta have my crutches are up the same way. Want something now to make that happen. Okay. Alright, let's shop. Ooh, all these cake looks so good. It's really not bad enough. Ooh, this look nice, see? This look good. Oh God. Oh God, Ken, your diet. Leave the people and things alone. Your diet. It's not safe for me at all. I have to come out here. Get away. is hot. I'm not say it again for the rest of the vlog. For the rest of the vlog, I'm not ever mention hot again. Alright. So I wanted to show you guys something. Because I feel special. So I came home. Reach on scissors to me. Hold on there. Let me pull this there. Give me that scissors there.
Oh, this is on the bottom of the AC.
Oh, but nothing wet kind of. Me carrot come from. What? You put it on the ground what this sir?
No.
So I carrot today? No, so that come from somewhere else.
I tell you, say, when I hold this, I feel it from my finger. I'm going to think up on the bottom.
What this me a come?
Where this thing come from?
Anyway, cuties, so I came home and I saw something on my bed. Okay, let me try purple note back. So I'm gonna come home and see something on my bed. I saw this and I can tell what it is, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to. I want to be surprised, you know. I know who it's from because only my daughter alone give me random gifts. She would just see something and just buy it for me. So I know it's from her, and I have an idea what it is because it's clearly on the screen, the thing. So I wanted to show y'all. So cute. She's so thoughtful, right? It's like a computer table, you know. I edit all the while, so she's like, you're always laying in the bed and editing. So I bought you a little computer table. You know, you catch up your laptop in here, so, and then you have a place for your cup, and then it have light. See light them here. Yeah, so nice, so convenient, you know. She's so special. Thank you, baby. One thing about she got always just know more because she always know my business. She always listening. That's why. But Brenna Daily, thank you, honey. I love it. I really appreciate it so much. Anyway, I'm gonna get the AC put up, so bye. Yeah, take a drop again. Well, where you find my next one, Tim?
Well,
This.
bring it in there, sir.
But tell us say something there, so just me and then the other people.
But which party did they?
Yeah, cause me say, you bring it up on something, I'm gonna tell her.
I work from them long time, you know.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
how come you find it?
Yes.
Must say double up on one of them.
One of them, yeah.
And I must double it up. Okay, alright, so where are popcorn?
Cool up.
This is good. These are trash. We don't put nothing on top of it. This have beef look like it expire. August the 10th, 2025. No, it's too good.
Looking at the back for the person, because I don't see no meat bag, you know.
My number say more, you take the bag from out of the car itself?
Take out 3 bag out of the car.
So what bag did they say? I
meat.
meet bag. Alright. Alright, come, fast
Wait.
You know what?
Thing take out all
fridge.
cupboard stuff, put them on the counter. Let me tell you which part everything to go. Oh my god. Put the egg them in this. Put the bread in this.
Ramen and snacks and anything are going this way.
Yeah.
Alright, so ramen.
California, the ice cream. They can't fix it.
Me eat one already.
Huh?
Me eat one already.
You can't fix them just by?
Oh no. You can't fix it when it's not nice. Stop going on there. Put them on the fridge top.
On the fridge top.
Chicken flavor.
Don't
want to try that. I don't like them inside much less cream with chicken flavor.
It's creamy, I think. No.
Auntie can't be like them things. She will know to make it.
Exactly. Good morning, cuties. It is currently 102 degrees in Hartford, Connecticut. Okay? Crazy. Hot like fire sunscreen. But I'm going in and hopefully should I want to deal with my client and be like, Kadisha, go home. May I pray, because the funniest thing, oh damn. The funny thing is, she would say go home every day when I have nothing to do. But the day when I have something to do, I have plans, she want me to do the world of things. But I don't know how she know, I can't tell her. But for some reason, she knows. It's gonna be my scent. I love this cologne. It's so powdery. It smells like you just shower and come out of the bathroom. It not have no sweet smell. You know that? This I love when I'm like going to bed. Yeah, this is a bedtime cologne to me. Anyway, I never sprayed my bed today because I try going early so that I come off early and got river. I'm trying to do the whole river experience today because I know river was full today. Like me say, yesterday, today, two of the hottest day. Today was like 100 and something. Yesterday was like 90 something. So I know today gonna be real hot. I know everybody got up on the river. So I'm trying to like make it a thing and cook some food on the river, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh shit, that hurts. That hurt like a motherfucker. Oh. Strap if you're wondering. Okay, I think that is it. The room was cool. This hairstyle. Up them love. Why is so much down? Eh. Y'all need to go up. It's too hot. See, I have ear down in your face right now. That's too much anyway. Let's get out of here. Let's go. I'll clean you when I come back. Bye-bye. Hey, what is hot like a fire too.
Israel and Iran continue to trade air and missile strikes as the world braces for Tehran's response. Iran is vowing to defend itself after the
Oh, damn! I left my cherry them in the car.
Iran's ambassador to the United Nations.
Oh, God, and the place so hot.
Speaking at
Why
an
are you so
emergency
low?
UN
What?
Security Council meeting,
What's going on?
where America's representative, Dorothy Camille Scheer, issued her own warning.
The Iranian regime.
It's hot. It is hot.
Let us be clear. Iran should not escalate.
The US dropped cruise missiles and 30,000-pound bunker buster bombs on Iran's nuclear sites, targeting the main Fordo, biggest Western military action against the Islamic Republic since its 1979.
Guys, did you know you can drink too much water and drown yourself?
How much damage those bombs actually
Drown your
did
system?
to it. But for now,
I did not know that, but
how will Tehran respond?
it is facts. It is truth, okay?
Edmund
You
Blair
can't
is
drink
our
way
Middle
too
East
much water.
editor. So Edmund, what
It's a
options
debt
is Iran weighing now?
mostly known
Despite the
in
fact
the
that Iran has taken something of a pummeling
not
from
track and
Israel
field. What the
and
what the
now
walk
the
what them
United
people
States
do.
still has
Just walk, walk them only per 100 meters
Israel,
then.
but it still has more.
It's a
It
debt
has
knowing that them
drones,
people,
and as we've seen with
knowing
ballistic
that world,
missiles,
whatever.
drones, if
Yeah, I
we
know what I
find
mean.
enough of them, some at least
Yeah,
will go
but
through.
it's true
That's
though.
certainly Israel's experience, however good your defences are.
Somebody
It also
let me
has
know down in the
means.
comment.
It has a very
Correct me,
long
because I
coastline.
know
It could
I know
disrupt
it's
shipping.
facts, but I don't remember the community where them say it's more frequently in. But I know it has to do something with running, walking, some shit like that. So I feel like the vlog you need to end. I feel like it keep on. I feel like it's too long, especially the grocery shopping yesterday, and then football. I think it's a lot of long activities. So I think I need to end it and start fresh. I think I need to start fresh. Alright. So I'll see you guys when I get off work. It looks so dark. I hope you guys can see me because I'm telling them I can't see the camera. I know it's the sun. But, later.